I'm JD Durkin reporting from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, and here's a look at what we are watching on the street today. Stocks were in the green in a big way to close out this Thursday trading session. The Dow closed up over 350 points, the tech-heavy Nasdaq up 1.3%, while the S&P 500 closed 1.2% higher. This all comes as investors continue to react to the Fed holding interest rates steady, while also indicating that a March rate cut would be unlikely. Markets now pricing in a 38% chance of a rate cut in March. Separately, investors also looking ahead to the January jobs report out on Friday. Wall Street is expecting the U.S. economy to have added 176,500 jobs last month, with the unemployment rate rising to 3.8%. In other news, we know that layoffs have certainly been top of mind in the business world to kick off 2024, but now we have a bit of a sense just how bad it's actually been. According to a new report by global outplacement firm Challenger, Gray & Christmas, layoffs in January increased by 136% from the month before. In total, 82,307 workers were let go by U.S.-based employers in the first month of this year, marking the highest number of January layoffs since the year 2009. In addition to questions around interest rates and this year being an election year, the report says these layoffs are also driven by, quote, broader economic trends and a strategic shift towards increased automation and AI adoption in various sectors, though in most cases, companies point to cost cutting as the main driver for layoffs. The financial sector saw more layoffs than any other major industry, with 23,238 laid off employees. That was followed then by the tech sector with nearly 16,000 layoffs, and the food production industry, which had roughly 6,660 workers let go. When asked why employees were being laid off, restructuring was the #1 response given by employers. And if you're at all worried about AI coming for your job, keep in mind artificial intelligence was blamed for less than 1% of the January layoffs. That'll do it for your daily briefing from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. I'm JD Durkin with TheStreet.